Today I'm going to discuss on Great Nicobar Island, flora and fauna of this island. First, if we see the position of Great Nicobar, it is the southernmost island of Andaman and Nicobar archipelago, and above it we have Little Nicobar Island. Now, if we look at the position, we will see that Andaman and Nicobar group of island is lying between Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea in the Indian Ocean. This Nicobar group comprises 24 of 572 islands, and Great Nicobar is the largest island within this group. And the Zoological Survey of India has published the first official record of animal diversity of Great Nicobar Island in a book titled Faunal Diversity of Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. This is the map which shows the position of Andaman and Nicobar archipelago in between Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea. And Little Andaman, and we can easily demarcate the Andaman group above Car Nicobar, and here only the Nicobar Islands are being discussed. Little Nicobar is north of Great Nicobar, which is the southernmost island of Nicobar group of islands. And between Little Nicobar and Great Nicobar, we have St. George's Channel. To the south of Great Nicobar, we have Great Channel 1. Now, if we look the tribes that exist here, that survive here, are namely Shompen and Nicobarese. Shompen are mainly having a semi-nomadic life, whereas Nicobarese are farmers and also engaged in fishing activities. And this Great Nicobar is a part of Sunderland biodiversity hotspot, and the island was declared as Biosphere Reserve in January 1989 by Indian government and included in UNESCO Man and Biosphere Program in May 2013. This region is noted for the rich biodiversity in terms of flora. There are 650 species of angiosperm, ferns, gymnosperm, bryophytes and lichens. And endemic species like tree fern and orchid are also found here. Now, if we look at the fauna, we will see that important fauna diversity is also here, like leatherback turtles come here to lay their eggs. Then we have the only primate species, that is the long-tailed macaque, survives here. Then we have Nicobar flying fox, which is categorized as vulnerable under IUCN Red List, and Nicobar tree shrew and Miller's Nicobar rat are listed as endangered. And sea cucumbers and seashells are being poached by the divers, which is also causing harm to this biodiversity. And Nicobar megapod are the medium-sized scruff fowl which is found in few Nicobar islands. So we can see that this island is having a rich biodiversity mainly in terms of flora and fauna. So we can understand that we need to protect this island, because this can only help us to survive. As we all know that UN has taken an initiative. A decade has been declared from 2021 to 2030 as decade of ecosystem restoration, and we need to protect the ecosystems and the biodiversity where there is a rich biodiversity, so that we can keep our Mother Earth in pristine condition. With this, I would like to say thank you for your patient hearing.